Hi my dear children, this is Prasanna, your maths tutor. Dear children, probably you have heard the word that is barter system. So barter system is the system of exchange, and it is the system which has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. People exchanged service and goods for other services and goods in return, which mean if you have rice in large amount, so you can give it to someone and some quantity of rice, and you can receive same amount of the other items or other groceries in return, namely jowar, wheat, etc. Or you can receive other items like tomato, fruit by exchanging. You know that nowadays this barter system is not existed. Instead, currency notes which are made of paper and coins are in use. And in India, we use rupees as the official currency. Rupee is subdivided into 100 paise. You know this. So in this today's video, we are going to learn about money, which is a type of payment which you can give for goods or services you have taken. And in your earlier class, you might have learned that, and we also learned that 100 paise will make 1 rupee. And if you want to know that 1 paise equals how much rupees, so just do it. Bring this 100, means just transpose this 100 from left hand side to right hand side. So when this 100 comes from left hand side to right hand side, its position will be denominator. So this 1 remains as it is, and this position of 100 will be denominator. So that 1 paise equals 1 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100 rupee. And when you simplify this, it will be 0.01 rupee. So that finally we can say that 1 paise equals rupee 0.01. Similarly, rupee 34 and 56 paise can be written as rupee 34.56, and we read it as rupee 34 and 56 paise. We can also read it as rupee 34.56. So when you want to convert paise to rupee, take the given value and write it as the numerator and just divide it by 100. So you will get it in the rupee. So right now it is 0 rupee 0 paise, or else 0 rupee 0.05. Similarly, 35 paise can be converted into rupees like, take the same value and write it as the numerator and just divide it by 100. So when you simplify this, it will be 0.35, and you can read it as rupee 0.35 or else 0 rupees 35 paise. Let us look at the exercise now. See here, express the decimals as rupees and paise. 2 examples have been solved. One is 64 rupees 38 paise can be written as rupees 64 and 38 paise. It is already in decimal form, and this can be expressed like, so this is the whole part and we write it as rupees 19, and this is the decimal part, we read it as 2 paise. And one more thing you have to understand from the previous example, that this is the whole part and which will be represented by rupee always, and this is the decimal part and which will be represented by paise. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, that in the decimal part, in the paise part, we got 2 places. So whenever if you have only one place, so the other place must be written with 0. Say for example, if there is only 6, so you have to replace this, you have to fill this empty place by 0. Next, let's look at the exercise problem. Write as rupees in decimal form. So 34, as I said, rupees is whole part, so write it as the whole part, and 80 paise, 85 paise is decimal part, so write in decimal part. 62 rupees whole part, 62, and 0.70 paise decimal part. 353 rupees and 25 paise can be written as rupees 353.25. 872 rupees and 87 paise can be written as 872.87. Let's move on to the second main. Write as rupees and decimals. Just the reverse of this. 548.45 can be written as, so this is the whole part, so this is rupees, so 548 rupees, and this is the decimal part, so that's why it is paise. 37 rupees, 0 rupees or 0 paise, right? This is 68 rupees, 5 paise. Next, 89 rupees, 75 paise. Next main. Write as rupees in decimal form, just like this one. 384 rupees 80 paise can be written as rupees 384.80. 79 rupees 5 paise can be written as 79 rupees point, and look at here, it is only 5 paise, so that write this 5 here first, and this place, since it is only 5 paise given here, so that is why write that 5 here, and this place must be replaced by 0, because in paise part we got 2 places, so that is why first we have to fill up the first place by the right side, and next place if there is absent we have to replace it by 0, so that is why 79 rupees 5 paise can be written as 79.05. Similarly, 11 rupees 0 paise can be written as 11.00, that is rupees 11.00. Next, it is 573 rupees 75 paise can be written as rupees 573.75. Next main is write as rupees and paise, just reverse of this. So 12.34 rupees 12.34, so it is 12 rupees 34 paise. Next, it is 75 rupees 75 paise. It is 600 rupees 15 paise. 708 rupees 6 paise. Next main, fill in the blanks. 37 rupees 4 paise. 46 rupees 7 paise. Lastly, 84 rupees and 92 paise can be written in decimal form as rupees 84.92.